This is a site that I found that's free for educational purposes for elementary age students, which means students from kindergarten up to 5th grade. The focus is on the Common Core requirements. I like that. Let's just click on a grade level. Let's go with 5th grade. Let's see how I do it. It focuses on what's required for Common Core, and that's something that I do like since schools are focusing on the Common Core aspect of what each student should know. It has right here parts of speech, spelling with vowels, spelling bee. Let's try. Ooh, it even has Spanish word bingo. But let's try spelling bee. And notice right here where it says Common Core, this is CCSS, Common Core Standards, kindergarten. And it goes to 4th, it looks like. Okay, spelling bee. I'm going to go ahead and press play so you can see how it goes. Let's change the name to Spelling Queen. Looks like it won't let me add that in, so let's just take that off. Spelling Quinn. Okay, you can create a game or you can join along with someone else. It looks like no one else is. Oh, there's Cute's game. But let's go ahead and let's see about play now. We're going to go ahead and start a game. Here we go.
Feast.
Feast. Let's see.
Protect.
I know that you can also just type it in
Equal.
as well. So let's see what happens if I make a mistake. Oops. U-A-L.
Trail.
Let's see. Let's try to do this again. Let's use the mouse. Let's see what happens if we type in. Let's see. Oopsie, that's a typical mistake that a lot of students and adults make.
Picture.
Oh, I ran out of time. Oh, turns out Spelling Quinn or Spelling Queen is placed only 2nd, so that lets the student know how well they did. You get a chance to print it out. We could continue, but we're going to go ahead and end this game. And let's see what else we could do. I just like the variety that it gives the student. However, I believe that the parent, if the child is doing this at home, and the teacher needs to be aware at all times what the student is doing on the internet. Let's just go down here. Let's try for something fun. This right here is for 4th grade and up. Let's try 3rd grade and up. And this right here is going to focus on the vocabulary, the knowledge of Thanksgiving vocabulary words and facts, if the student has been studying these types of words. Crossword. Oh, we see a Thanksgiving sport. I would have no idea. So this area right here, this is my first time going into this. It seems to be something that the student would have to be learning, because I have no idea what a Thanksgiving sport is. What do farmers do in the fall? I would have no idea. The Pilgrims called them Indians, Native Americans, I would assume. No, and see, that would be incorrect. So this right here would have to probably be something that students have studied, or there's a hint on here that there was in the bottom area, there was an area for hints. But overall, I would recommend this app for teachers and for parents at home to monitor, but to make sure they monitor what the student is doing at all times while on this free app. I love the fact that it's free instead of some sort of something that you have to pay out of the pocket for. Just as long as you have connection to the internet, you can probably use this on your iPad or tablet as well. And I think that also can give students an upper hand if they're in kindergarten to go ahead and start working on the first grade stuff, you know. So I very much like this app. Hey everyone, this is Miss Gray. Thank you for coming to the Gray Zone. This right here is just a really short tutorial on how to get to or how to adventure into the Khan Academy site, which if you look at the home site at the top of the screen, it is saying home, meet the teacher, and then next it will say educational links, and this is one of the educational links right here, so we're going to click there. Sorry about that, it keeps popping up. So right here I have it highlighted right here, the Khan Academy. I say that the Khan Academy is a great resource for you. It will help you not only in this class but in others as well. So we're going to go ahead and click right here. It's already highlighted for you. And I'm actually already logged on. Let's see. See, I'm already logged on. Each one of you all should have received your passcode in order to enter into the class, into the Khan Academy site. This will help me, I guess, keep an eye on what you need help with, and so that if you're struggling with anything, I can go ahead and hop right in and help you. So right here, since let's look at 5th grade US, and we're going to look at the math area. We'll see arithmetic operations, fractions. This is just building on top of what you already learned earlier. Place value and decimals, measurements, data, and data geometry. And this right here, this year we're going to start talking about algebra, and just thinking about algebra as well. So we have a lot to do this year. So just for starters, we're just going to go ahead and click here on arithmetic operations. And you see that we have adding by decimals, and if subtracting decimals, and it just goes down each area that we're going to actually target this year. Everything that you see on this site right here, we're going to hit at least once. So this is a great resource for you to, in your free time when you're at home or at the library, wherever you have internet access, to go ahead and get started here. So when you click here, let's just clicks right here on adding decimals, example 1. It's loading. So right now, just a video will pop up. And once you're already logged in, there will be some actual problems for you to do. Just work through. Once you watch these videos and get the basic learning. And so I'll play a short version right here of this. Sorry about that. So I won't play all of this, but
see if we can add 9.087 to 15.31. And I encourage you to pause the video and try to do it on your own.
So I'm going to actually pause it right here.
So
I just want you to see
I'm assuming
exactly what, how the video sounds. But just in other areas, you actually can go ahead and you can look at science as well. You can cover other areas as well, arts and humanities, history. Of course, we're going to do a little bit of history this year, which is different from the other years you've been in school. So this is just a resource for you and your parents as well. So this right here is just everything that you can access on the site. So it can even help you with music. So this site is very all-encompassing, meaning that you can do a lot of things on here. And actually, NASA, you can actually, let's look over here and see what NASA, it says here. It'll just be something fun to you. You can explore the universe with NASA. So that sounds like fun. So this right here, if we click there, and here, the Khan Academy, it just take you right there. You use the passcode to log in, and that's just your chance to learn a little bit more about what we're studying. And you can also study areas about other areas that you will be studying in school, and anything that interests you. So there is no gray zone there. So have fun. If you have any questions, I'm here for you.